In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an invoice from Freshbooks. Freshbooks, known for its user-friendly interface, is perfect for freelancers and small businesses looking to manage their finances with ease. Printing an invoice from Freshbooks is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. So whether you're preparing records for your accountant or sharing details with your clients, this guide will walk you through the steps to get a hard copy of your invoice in no time. To get started, make sure you're logged into your FreshBooks account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your accounting needs. From here, look for the Invoices section. It's typically part of the main menu, easily accessible and hard to miss. Click on Invoices to proceed. Now that you're in the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all your invoices. This is where you'll find the specific invoice that you need to print. Then take your time to scroll through and locate that specific invoice. Once you've found it, the next step is to hover over it. You'll notice a three dots icon, often referred to as the More Actions icon, appearing on the right side of your screen. This icon is your gateway to additional options for your invoice. Click on the three dots to reveal the More Actions menu. From the drop-down list, you'll see options to either print or print to PDF. Selecting either option will suffice if you intend to generate a print-friendly version of your invoice. The choice between printing directly or creating a PDF might depend on whether you want to save a digital copy. Once you've made your selection, a new tab or window will automatically open with a print-friendly version of the invoice. This new view is formatted specifically for printing, providing a clear, detailed snapshot of the invoice. Before sending it off to the printer, make sure to review this page. Double-check the details just to ensure everything reflects accurately and looks just the way you want it to. Finally, you'll need to adjust your printer settings. This step ensures the printout matches your preferences, whether that's in color, grayscale, or with specified margins. After you've finished adjusting everything, it's time to click Print. Your document will then be sent to your printer, ready for use or dispatch to your client. And there you have it, the entire process from start to finish for printing an invoice from FreshBooks. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial documentation is readily available and professionally formatted for any situation that requires a physical copy. Thank you for watching, and happy printing!